Let's make chicken and kale casserole. Let's start with our ingredients. 1 box whole grain pasta, 2 cups cooked chicken, either leftover or canned will do, and 1 bunch chopped kale. Feel free to substitute other greens such as Swiss chard, collards, or spinach. But wait, there's more! Other ingredients include 24-ounce low-fat cottage cheese, 3 garlic cloves, chopped, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 large onion chopped, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Cook pasta until tender, according to the package directions. Drain your pasta. In the same pot, heat oil on medium heat. Then add your garlic and chopped onion. Cook 4 minutes. Now it's time to add the chopped kale. Your pot will be very full. Put the lid on the pot and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Be careful it doesn't burn. After 5 minutes, the kale will be cooked down. Give it a stir and then add the pasta. Stir in the low-fat cottage cheese. Stir in the chicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Move your casserole into a large baking dish. Sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Serve warm from the oven. Leftovers reheat very well in the microwave. Enjoy!